Hey everybody, Aura here. I wanted to do a small update video. While I was working on my game, I saw the recent news about Unity, and in the light of it, I wanted to inform all of you for the next upcoming videos, and also I'll want to talk about the current situation of the channel. First, I wanted to remind all of you that I am using Unity to develop my hobby project. But recent news about the Unity's upcoming changes and implementation of their per install fee made me hesitant. It's really a low chance for this to affect me as of now because my game isn't in a purchasable state yet, but it also made me realize that they can change any of their policy in any minute that can damage my game development. Unfortunately, because of this, I lost my trust to develop my game further in this engine. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. As of now I am searching about my possible options like Godot and Unreal. So because of that I want to inform all of you that my next monthly update and analysis videos could be even further than my estimated time. So that means channel can stay a bit silent for a while. If this bothers you, you can unsubscribe if you want. Other thing I wanted to talk about is, I wanted to thank all of you for the sudden viewing numbers for my first analysis video about puzzle-based visual novels. All of your support gave me more motivation. My second video didn't perform as that much, but I was kind of expecting that because of the smaller game subjects that I talked about it there. For next, I am not too sure when it's gonna be, but I have plans for what kind of subjects to analyze and delve into for game design. That can be a bit different than what I said at the end of my previous video. But still I am planning to continue about doing it if I can solve the problem of what to do about this current situation. So, that's all the updates as of now. Until the unspecified update, thanks for watching and hopefully, see you later.